Welcome to the video. What is ERP? In this video, we will be discussing this. What is ERP software? And ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. My name is Syed Rizvi. I have 20 plus years of experience with Fortune 500 companies, and I will explain you this. What is ERP? Let's get started. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So if we can take a look at it, resource, enterprise, and operations and planning, so we can take a look at it. So for example, resources, inventory, employees, finance. So these are your resources. And so your central application or software or server controls this resource in a centrally that you can account this for. An enterprise basically represent your organization or corporation, so that is a big corporation. Operations, you can say procurement operations, manufacturing and sales. There could be more, but this is just to explain you. In procurement, you could be have suppliers, manufacturing, production, quality control. So this is just a mind map. So mind map have some this representation of explaining you what is ERP. And this ERP controls many different areas. For example, if you have warehouse planning, human resource planning, supply chain planning, demand planning. So simple idea is the enterprise ERP software or application or server centrally control all of these with the integration, and that is that what it do, that enterprise resource planning. If someone in the enterprise would like to understand what operations are going on, he can understand, take a look at it. So there could be different modules or different areas of business that could be connected. This is basically SAP centric, that you can see material management, sales and distribution, production planning. So every um, ERP software might have some different variations. They might have different modules and different specialty, but for SAP standpoints, these are the modules: finance, material management, SD, production planning, quality management. And within, for example, sales and distribution, there could be a sales order management, pricing and discounts, delivery and shipping. So these are the sub functions within that, and there could be more complexity and different things are there. So this is basically just representation how ERP software having multiple different areas connected centrally, and they're all integrated with each other. So there are leading ERP software out there. For example, SAP is one of them, Oracle, Microsoft, all of these are there, but also there's an option of open source ERP solution. So Odoo, ERP Next. So these are the open source software. You can take a look into that, and they have some functionality and things are there. So that is also another option other than these commercial ERP solution by leading brands. And also you have open source. So you can take a look into that, and there are different specialty within these ERP softwares. So this is enterprise leaders, mid-market solution, industry specialist, and cloud native. So these are you can see the different specialties are defined, and also the open source solution is there. There are more, but this is just to give you some high level understanding. ERP is not only for SAP. There could be multiple different players in the market, and they offer their ERP software or application or server, you can call it. Many people debate on this, if it is a software or is a server or application. So anyway, so how do you choose the right ERP? So it depends on the requirements. What business problems were you trying to solve? For example, does the system fits your process and industry? So there could be industry specific ERPs are out there, especially designed for that. So these are all of these questions are defined, that what kind of ERP that you should be using. And then you can take a look into that and have some independent review on these, all of these, and get some feedback. What kind of ERP do you need? Or if it is you getting so much complex ERP that is overkilling your business, or is impacting your business. So this is just one point of think about when you are getting ERP. So think of a company without ERP, for example. If you do not have sales system, centrally manage inventory, purchasing, finance, and a lot of manual work. So that's the reason people get ERP software, that they can avoid. But many times people, when they get ERP software, this is too many steps. So there could be one of these things, or maybe it's too complex. I don't understand. Or users, when go from old system to new system, they might not understand this. So this is could be a lot of manual work, and this helps in many different levels to have the reports available, and so they can do planning, and then they can manage their resources. So the benefits of ERP is like that: less manual work, better decision making, ready to scale, so more visibility, standard processes. So standard processes could be from industry specific, or could be best practices from the industry, or could be the best practices from the ERP providers. So all of these are subject to the business needs and understanding what are they going through. And do you have all this functionality working? And if not, what challenges do you face with your ERP service? I would love to hear from you. So please leave it a comment and let me know that what challenges you see, and if it is working out perfectly, or if it is good for you. Anything you can share that you love about your ERP software, or your the system you have. So so if you are ready to make smarter decision, my name is Syed Rizvi. I can provide you like a free consultation on that. So you can take a look at it. Do you really need SAP S/4HANA? I have this published on Amazon. The SAP Blueprinting C-Suite Playbook, that is also available on Amazon. And you can click on this, you can scan this QR code and connect on to the with a free consultation, initial free consultation, and would like to discuss about that. I'm available. So, then do you need independent perspective? If you are getting system integrators are coming in there, and they do not explain you, uh, so only explaining you from their perspective onto the solution, and because system integrators are specialized in their different areas, they might only tell you about that. So you need free assessment, and book a free assessment, and then scan the barcode and go to the website awais.us. Thank you very much, and leave it a comment if you have any feedback. Thank you very much.